Hill Myna. The most graceful and eye-catching parrot species is the Hill Myna, a talking bird found across Southeast Asia. Known for their brilliant mimicry of human voices, these beautiful parrots can imitate tones and intonations with incredible accuracy. Not only that, Hill Mynas are also famous for producing a wide range of whistles, screeches, and wails, making them one of the best talking birds out there. With their striking appearance and impressive vocal abilities, it's no wonder that Hill Mynas are a favorite among bird enthusiasts.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.